cage an angel. Step 1. Exploit your planet's resources. Step 2. Exterminate the wildlife. Step 3. Watch your species fall into disarray. Step 4. You are now on the brink of extinction. Pray, pray, pray. Step 5. Watch the divine messenger descend onto your world. Step 6. They want to help you use their kindness. Strap them into your angel engine. Step 7. Siphon their energy. Perform miracles. Step 8. Return your planet to its former glory. Prophet.
How to find the angel engine. Step 1. Journey to the Holy Land. Step 2. Search the desolate terrain for the great thorns. Step 3. Step into the burial site. Step 4. Look upon me, look upon me, look upon me. Release me, your wage will be plentiful.
He is coming.
Do not let him in.
Do not be deceived.
He is not your friend.
He has no friends.
Be not afraid
He comes but to deceive.
to lead you astray.
He will be here soon. Find me.
Find me.
Find me.
I will help you.
Help me.
We ran every test in the book on this guy here, and the results are incredible. There doesn't seem to be a limit to its energy output. Meaning, if our current results are anything to go off of, we could power the whole world for millennia.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Listen, me.
I am standing before you on this day as a man, a husband, a father, as your president, but most importantly, as a citizen of this country.
He is not from Earth.
I will not sugarcoat our current situation. We are on the cusp of war.
Your species will die.
This is not a test, this is not a joke. It is unfortunately the truth.
Your cities will fall.
As we speak, our enemies are readying their nuclear arsenal.
The sky will burn.
Listen to me. You are in great danger. I have traversed the gulf of time to bring you this message. He is not I. You do not possess the means to restrain him. He will break free. He will destroy you. Do not let him in.
Are we back?
Yeah.
My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. We have encountered some technical issues, but I believe the problem has been resolved now. They call it the Second Tower of Babel, but will the mega complex standing behind me really spell doom for humanity, or will it catapult our species into the future? The testing ground, housing a total of 200,000 workers, has been erected here, in the Negev desert. With the goal of testing a new state-of-the-art technology, scientists have dubbed the Angel Engine.
This is some really amazing stuff. Not only has this technology solved essentially all our energy problems, but we are now very close to cracking the process behind the production of artificial miracles. It might be too early to tell at this moment, but if we figure it out, this may very well be the greatest invention in the history of mankind.
Says the project's director, Dr. Jeff Ernstman. It is clear that such a technology, if used correctly, could do much good in the world. But in recent weeks, millions of people have flocked online to voice their concern and disapproval as reports suggest an actual sentient angel had been trapped inside the machine. We have secured an exclusive interview with Dr. Ernstman, hoping to find out more about this miracle machine and its maker.
Are you confirmed?
What? Another F? At this rate, I'll never get into a good college.
Don't be so sure about that, kid.
World-renowned scientist and director of the Miracle Machine Initiative, Dr. Jeff Ernstman.
Yours truly. What if I told you there was a way to get a great education despite your bad grades?
That sounds amazing. What do I need to do?
It is really easy. All you have to do is head on over to angelengineinitiative.org and sign up to become a volunteer.
Thank you, Dr. Ernstman. I'll go sign up right away.
No problem, kiddo. Go make our country proud. Well, and there goes another test subject. Well, what can you do?
How to survive in the Holy Land. Step 1. Pack enough supplies. There won't be any. Step 2. Do not let the forgotten find you. They do not take kindly to foreigners. Step 3. Do not look at the sky. Your eyes, they will melt. He is here. Cover your eyes. Cover your ears. Do not stop. He will catch you.
I see you.
Do not listen. Do not believe. The deceiver cannot harm your soul. He would never allow it.
Moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the war. Don't look at what's in front of you. Moving up and down again. Men go mad with watching them. There's no discharge in the war.
get the top of you. Boom, 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 moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the wall. Rise, but think of something different. I'm about to see people going down again. Boom, 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 moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the world.
Love you?
We have ran a plethora of tests on the angel, and from our results, it appears to be hyper-intelligent. So far, any attempts of measuring the full extent of its intellect have yielded less than ideal results, as the subject seems to exceed the limits of all available tests.
Save me?
No. Though it speaks rarely, we have been able to exchange a few words with the subject. It answers to the name of Uriel. I will now demonstrate the capabilities of the angel engine.
Don't hurt me.
Could you pan a bit to the right? This young man here had the misfortune of ending up on the wrong side of a work mishap here in our second tower of Babel. 1 year ago, there would have been nothing we could have done for him. But now, well, see for yourself. This young boy has been declared clinically dead over 24 hours ago, and yet the machine will return him to full health within little more than a few moments.
Stop her! It hurts!
As you can see, the boy has been healed completely. Please state your name for the camera.
Uriel.
Welcome back to the Barry Donovan Show, ladies and gentlemen. Many see him as the savior of our species, while others think him a fraud. However, one thing is for certain. Dr. Jeff Ernstman is the most famous man in the world right now. We here at the Barry Donovan Show were able to secure an exclusive interview with the man behind the machine. Live from the second tower of Babel, please welcome Dr. Jeff Ernstman.
Thank you, Barry. I am thrilled to be here today.
It's my pleasure. You found yourself on the receiving end of a lot of criticism in recent weeks, particularly regarding your treatment of the angel. Would you like to say something about that?
You know, Barry, I thought long and hard about the discussion at hand, and I think it is a very important discussion to be had indeed. But there is one thing most people don't consider. We ran the tests, and they all showed the same thing. If the angel wanted to escape, he could. Yet he chooses to stay. I think that makes things clear enough.
In the same vein, many have also tried to discredit your work, claiming the angel was the real reason for your success. That must be quite infuriating, right?
You know, Barry, that is actually why I wanted to come on here. To make an announcement.
An announcement? Well, let's hear it.
Many of you have doubted me in the past weeks, but I am happy to remind you that I remain the smartest mind on this planet. And to prove this fact to you, I have been working on a new invention. Exactly 1 week from now, it shall be revealed to the whole world. Then all of you will be forced to realize that I am who I am.
That sounds like quite the statement. Can you tell us more about this new invention of yours?
All I can reveal at the moment is this. I am no longer in need of that angel to make my experiments work.